committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Today, we will show you a video about four-ball test. This is my partner, Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie.
Okay, Winnie, do you know what's the test machine of this test?
We use the 4-ball testing machine and we will use the 4-ball method to test the wear resistance of the lubricant oil.
Yes, let's see the first part of the video. Look at the screen. So look at the screen. We are ready to start the experiment. Winnie, what's the first?
The first, in the video, we are pressing the retaining ring onto the 3 balls, then tighten the fixing lead. It ensures the ball are in place.
Yes, a stable setup is key for accurate results. Winnie, what's the size of the steel balls?
The diameter of the steel ball is 12.7 millimeters and it's high carbon chromium bearing steel ball.
Yes. We will use 4 balls to do the test. Winnie, what's the next?
Next, we pour an appropriate amount of test lubricating oil, T21001 ml, into the oil box.
Yes, T21001 mO is a friction modifier. This product name is molybdenum diethylphosphate. It has excellent extreme pressure and anti-wear performance. It can reduce the friction coefficient between the locomotion parts efficiently.
Okay, what's the dosage of the T21001 ml?
For lubricant oil, the recommended dosage is from 0.12 to 1%. For grease, the recommended dosage is from 1 to 3%.
Next, what's the millimeters of the sample we add to the oil box?
We should add oil box to at least 3 millimeters.
Okay, in the video, the next step, can you explain?
Sure. Next step, we should load a steel ball into the collet. This ball is interact and rotate with the other 3 balls.
After that, we connect a loaded oil box to the testing machine.
According to the table, find the corresponding weight of the expected value 392 and add corresponding weights 14.6 on the lever.
The next step, connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine and lower the level.
The set is okay. Now let's start the motor. Winnie, do you know how long will it last and what the temperature and speed should be set?
Start the motor and let it run for 3,600 seconds and the temperature is 75 degrees. The speed is 1,200 minutes.
Good. Time's up. After 1 hour, we can stop the motor and remove the oil box containing steel balls.
After that, observe the size of the wire scars on the steel bolts. That can show how well our lubricant protected them.
Use a microscope to measure the wire scar diameters of the steel. The ray test goes in two directions.
Without the measurement of the date, the average value is 0.396, and it's less than the limited value.
That's all for the video. If you are interested in our test or our products, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching. Hope you have better understand about our attitude. Bye. 不能白呀。
嗨，
你是说开头我那句话没说吗？
开头
接着往
啊，对对对，我以为你很长。
啊，那一句啊，我以为我要下回再说，接着往
没事，说没说
再说，那我一下
长吗？没有，没有，没事，你下说。反正你不说话了，我就说。嗨，This is 小编。哎呀，
有吗？那边有。啊，俩人呢，现在。
妈呀 ，Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Hannah from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Today we will show you a video about 4-ball test. Here's my partner Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie. This test can help us to see how our lubricant protect the metal from wire and evaluate the anti-wire performance about the lubricant.
Winnie, do you know what machine do we use to do the test?
We use the 4-ball test machine, and we will use 4-ball method to test the machine resistance under the extreme conditions.
Okay, let's see the first part of the video. Look at the screen. We are about to start the experiment. Minnie, do you know the size of the steel balls?
The diameter of the steel balls is 12.7 millimeters, and it meets the standard GBT 308.1 2013 is high carbon chromium bearing steel ball.
Winnie, what's the first step of the test?
In the video, we are pressing the retaining ring onto the 3 balls, then tighten the fixing lead. It ensures the balls are in place.
Stable setup is key for accurate results. Winnie, what's the next?
Next, we put an appropriate amount of the test lubricating oil, T21001 ml, into the oil box.
Okay, let me introduce about T21002 ml. Its product name is molybdenum phosphate. It's a friction modifier. It can reduce the It has excellent extreme pressure, anti-wear performance, and it can reduce the friction coefficient between the locomotion parts efficiently.
Next, what is the dosage of the T21001?
For lubricant oil, the recommended dosage is from 0.12 to 1%. For grease, the recommended dosage is from 1 to 3%.
How many millimeters we need to add to the oil box?
We need to add oil box to at least 3 millimeters at top of the steel ball.
The video shows the next step. Can you explain?
Sure. Next step, we should load the steel ball into the collet. This ball is interact and rotate with the other steel balls.
Next, connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine. The connection makes the steel ball rotated the machine.
According to the table, find the corresponding weight of expected value 392 and add the corresponding weight 14.6 and on the lever.
After that, connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine and lower the level.
Okay, the site is okay. Let's start the motor. Vinny, do you know how long will it last and what temperature and speed should we set?
Start the motor and let it run for 3,600 seconds, and the temperature is 75 degrees. The speed is 1,200 per minute.
回个浪。
Okay, the time is up. After 1 hour, we can remove the oil box containing steel balls.
Observe the size of the wear scars on the steel ball. That shows how well our lubricant protect them.
Use a microscope to measure the wear scar diameters of the 3 steel balls in 2 directions.
Calculate the average value, which is 0.395 and is less than the limited value.
Yes, that's all for the video. If you are interested in our test or our products, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching. Hope you can better understand our additive. 准备多长时间？
你俩应该还得再来2遍，他也是一样。
15分钟了，马上。
手到头啊，整上。
慢点说一些。
Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Hannah from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive. We are committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. And today we will show you a 4-ball test video. Here's my partner Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie. Today we will show you the test about the 4-ball test. The test can help us to see how our product protect the metal from wire and evaluate the anti-wire performance of the sample of under strain condition.
Yes, Winnie, do you know what test machine do we use this time?
We use 4-ball testing machine and we will use four-ball method to test wear resistance of the lubricant.
Okay, let's see the first part of the video. Look at the screen. We are ready to do the experiment. Winnie, what's the first step?
In the video, we are pressing the retaining ring onto the three balls and then tighten the fixing lead. It ensures the balls are in place.
Yes, a stable setup is key for accurate results. Do you know the size of the steel balls, Winnie?
The diameter of the steel ball is 12.7 millimeters. It meets standard GBP 308.1 2013. It's high carbon chromium bearing steel ball.
Yes, we will use 4 balls to do this test. Winnie, what's the next?
Next, we put an appropriate amount of test lubricating oil T21001 ml into the oil box.
Yes, let me introduce about T21002 MO. It's a friction modifier. Its product name is molybdenum dicyl phosphate. It can reduce the friction coefficient between the locomotion parts efficiently.
What's the dosage about the T21001 ml?
For lubricant oil, the recommended dosage is from 0.12 to 1%. For grease, the recommended dosage is from 1 to 3%.
How many millimeters of sample we add to the oil box?
We should add the oil box to the top of the steel ball, at least 3 millimeters.
The video is show the next step. Can you explain for us?
Sure. Next step, we should load the steel ball into the collet. This step, the ball is interact and rotate with the other 3 balls.
Next, we connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine. The connection makes the machine can rotate with the steel ball.
According to the table, find the corresponding weight of the exact value 392 and at corresponding weights 14.6 and on the lever.
After that, connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine and lower the level.
Okay, the site is okay. Let's start the motor. Winnie, do you know how long will the motor last and what temperature and speed should we set?
Start the motor and let it run for 3,600 seconds, and the temperature is 75 degrees. The speed is 1,200 rpm.
Okay, time is up. Let's stop the motor. This time we should remove the oil box containing the steel balls.
Observe the size of the wear scars on the steel balls. It can show us how well our lubricant protects them.
Then use a microscope to measure the wear scar diameters of 3 steel balls in 2 directions.
with all the measurement date. Calculate the average value, which is 0.395 and is less than the limited value.
Yes, that's all for our video. If you are interested in our test or our products, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for watching. Hope you can better understand about our additives. 我觉得好飘啊。
Hello. Yeah. Hello. This is
你俩要甩这么快，一遍都完事不了，一遍还得再捞。
你讲得很快吗？
挺快的。那我去慢慢点。Hi, welcome to our live stream. This is Hannah from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and the supplier of lubricant additive. We are committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Today, we will show you a formal test video. Here's my partner, Winnie.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie. Today, this test can help us to see how our lubricant protect metal from wear and evaluate the anti-wear performance under the extreme seconds.
Winnie, do you know what machine do we use to do the test?
We use 4-bar testing machine and we will use 4-bar method to test the wear resistance.
Yes. So now let's start the first part of the video. Look at the screen. We are ready to start the experiment. Winnie, what's the first step?
In the video, we are pressing the retaining ring onto the 3 balls, then tighten the fixing lead. It ensures the balls are in place.
Yes, a stable setup is key for accurate results. Winnie, do you know the size of the steel balls?
The diameter of the steel ball is 12.7 millimeters. It meets standard GBT 308.1. 2013, it's a high carbon chromium bearing steel ball.
Yes. What's the next step?
The next step, we put an appropriate amount of test lubricating oil, T21001 ml, into the oil box.
Yes, let me introduce about T21001MO. This product is a friction modifier. Its product name is molybdenum diethylphosphate. It has excellent extreme pressure and anti-wear performance. It can reduce the coefficient friction between the locomotion parts efficiently.
Next, what about the dosage of the T21001 ml?
For lubricant oil, the recommended dosage is from 0.12 to 1%. For grease, the recommended dosage is from 1 to 3%.
How many millimeters we add to the oil box?
We should add oil box to at least 3 millimeters.
The video showed the next step. Can you explain?
Yes, sure. This step, we should load the steel ball into the collet. This ball is interact and rotate with the other 3 balls.
And the next step, we connect the loaded oil box to the test machine. It ensures the machine can rotate with the steel ball.
Next, according to the table, find the corresponding weight of the expect value 392 and add the corresponding weights 14.6 and on the lever.
Connect the loaded oil box to the testing machine and lower the level.
Okay, the site is okay. Now let's start the motor. Winnie, what temperature should be set and what speed and how long will it last?
Start the motor and let it run for 3,600 seconds, and the temperature is 75 degrees. The speed is 1,200 r/minute.
Yes. Okay, time's up. Let's stop the motor. Now we can remove the oil box containing the steel balls.
After that, observe the size of the wire cuts on the steel bolts. That can show how well our lubricant protects them.
Now we can use a microscope to measure the wear scar diameters of the three steel balls in two directions.
With all the measurement date, calculate the average value, which is 0.395, and it is less than the limited value.
Yes, that's all for our video. If you are interested in our test or our products, you can contact us anytime.
Thank you for your watching. Hope you have better understand about our additives. Bye bye.
你俩唠2分钟吧。
就有了。找个样片。
我再把公司介绍一遍。
也行。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Anna from Shanghai Minglan Chemical. We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additive in China. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our additive package meets the specification requirements
怎么可能是去
and
整
test.
巨大呀？
有，那都是样品吗？你看。
角度呢？
哪个长得像呢？这个像吗？
不是。
有点像。不一样，这老黄了。
它这个是对油的，它是调油了用这个。
这个是，
你就说这个是。
嗯。
This test we use this
我感
demo
觉这个
to
比例是正常。
mix with base oil
那
to
你就
get
是
this
这比例
lubricant
小，
oil to do the
这比
test.
例大呗。
Yes.
不是，你看它俩漏出来的样品数都不一样，这个能漏到这儿，你看这个才漏多点。
Our additive has high
这个是质量高的题。
high quality.
This product is T21001 MO. It's a friction modifier. Its product name is molybdenum diethylphosphate. It has excellent extreme pressure and anti-wear performance. It can reduce the friction coefficient between the locomotion parts efficiently.
到了，刚到。
第
If you have any problem, please you can send a message to us.
Yes, any questions you can contact us on website or WhatsApp. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.